Hey there, welcome to my side-by-side comparison of these two different brands of kitchen washcloths or kitchen dishcloths. This is the Homoxy brand here on the left and the Kitten Joy brand here on the right. Just upon first glance, just so you know, these have been washed. They are both sets of 6 and they both measure 12 by 12. So just in terms of that, I can't really see much difference. They both washed up very, very nicely. And basically I'm gonna do a quick absorbency test so we can see how they do with absorbing, because that's what really matters in the kitchen. I just wanna say they do have both of them have a really nice softness and very, very nice finished edge on both. Very, very nice. They're both 100% cotton as well. So let's get to that absorbency test. We're just gonna kind of pour some water there, and I'm just gonna take the Homoxy brand and I'm just gonna go over that water, and we absorbed it all up in just one fell swoop. We're gonna try the Kitten Joy brand, same thing. We've got the water there, and we're gonna try this brand as well and just see how this does. Okay, so we're gonna give that another wipe. Okay, so obvious difference. The Kitten Joy brand does not have the same absorbency as the Homoxy brand. I don't know why, because they're both cotton. Now let me take the Homoxy brand and try to wipe up the other puddle over here, and we'll see how that does. So that seems to take care of it. So it looks like the Homoxy brand has greater absorbency versus the Kitten Joy brand. But like I said, they are both very soft. They both washed up nicely, and they both are, you know, formed and made nicely. So there you have it. Hope that helped.